everyone including Yasu Pressman is using Dewha, so I tried it too and now my skin is glowing. After seeing it all over social media, I knew I had to try it out and I'm glad I did. Gosh, it's amazing how 3 easy steps can be this effective. It just goes to show that sometimes quality truly beats quantity. Dewha has just released their mini glow trio set. It has 3 essential beauty items, a toner, 24 gold serum and primer, all together in one set. This set is great and super budget friendly. My skin feels so renewed and hydrated after using it. Next, I also tried out the Perfect Glow Assistant Cushion, which is going viral on TikTok and I kept seeing them. OMG! It gives you such a beautiful dewy look to nail that natural girl aesthetic while completely concealing skin imperfections. I'm absolutely in love with Dewha's products. Hey guys, it's your Filipino girl Zatrisia. For today's vlog is all about a skincare video and a collaboration with Dewha. I just want to thank Dewha family for trusting and choosing me. Before we start, I just want to share my promo code. Don't forget to use Zatrisia to get a 300 pesos off in every 1,000 pesos you purchase at Dewha's products, valid till end of the year. And it is a perfect gift sa inyong mga loved ones, lalo na ngayong darating na Mother's Day, so bilhin nyo na yan para sa kanila. Disclaimer, all products that works on me may or may not works on you too or vice versa. A quick background about Dewha for everyone who's asking kung si Dewha ba is a Korean brand. And the answer is, according to Maring Google, a Korean skincare brand based in Singapore, Dewha is dedicated to delivering products especially formulated to simplify your skincare routine. I just want to say thank you again, Dewha family, for giving me these products. I love them all, honestly. And we will start with the mini glow trio set. Ayan, this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's a color combination of pink peach. Ewan ko sa paningin ng iba kasi ganun yung tingin ko. Hindi naman ako colorblind pero ganun yung tingin ko. And what I love about it is nahihila siya. Ayan. And sobrang mini lang ng mga products na nasa loob. And ipapakita ko yung clip na ginamit ko siya. So, keep on watching. Katatapos ko lang maligo guys, and as you can see, basa pa yung buhok ko. And may gagawin ako outside. So, bago ako lumabas is, syempre, hindi nawawala yung pag-makeup ko. And bago ako mag-makeup is, inuunahan ko na skincare using Dewha Mini Glow 3 set. So, we will start with their Dewha Rejuvenating Toner. This is what it looks like. Ayan, sobrang cute niya and 20 ml siya. Sobrang perfect yung size niya sa pagta-travel. Lalo sa tulad kong medyo layas kung saan napupunta. And perfect siya ngayong summer kasi yung mga umaalis dyan at hindi kinakalimutan yung skincare, yung mga gantong sizes is perfect. Hindi siya nakaka-consume ng space sa mga bags nyo. So, ito siya. First is, mag-alcohol muna ako bago natin hawakan yung aking mukha. Though hinawakan ko siya kanina. And alam nyo ba guys na ilang weeks ko nang ginagamit itong si Dewha Mini Glow Trio Set. And as you can see, I have no makeup on. Wala akong kahit ano dyan sa mukha ko, kundi dito lang sa aking kilay and sa pilik and sa lips ko lang. Wala talaga dyan sa face ko. Makikita nyo yan. Wala. As in, wala talaga. Wait lang. Magwa-wipe test tayo para maniwala kayo. Ito yung wipes ko. Papakita ko lang sa inyo na wala akong kahit ano sa face ko. Ayan o. Oh. As in, wala talaga guys. Ayan. Wala akong makeup. And kung mapapansin nyo, may mga dark spot pa din naman ako. Ayan. Kasi sa skin type ko sa mukha, sobrang tagal bago mawala yung dark spot ko. Pero, minimal na siya. Ayan o. Konti na lang siya. And makikita nyo na kahit may dark spot ako, nag-glow pa rin yung skin ko. Kasi ilang weeks ko na nga siya ginagamit. And kahit pawis ako, talagang makikita nyo, alam mo yung may pawis ka pero glowing ka. Ganun yung effect niya sa akin. Yung paggamit ng rejuvenating toner is depende sa trick nyo. Meron kasing nagto-toner na yung inilalagay lang sa kamay tapos ipapat lang sa mukha. Ako kasi, I always use cotton. Kasi for me, nadi-deep cleanse siya and mas malinis. Natatanggal yung dirt sa mukha niya. Upon opening it, makikita nyo na, ayan, hindi siya yung basta tumutulo. Maganda yung packaging niya. And ganito siya i-open dito. Super cute. Ayan. Hindi siya yung bigla ang pag in-open mo is mabububo agad, hindi. Ganun ka secured and sobrang ganda ng packaging nila.
This toner contains Centella asiatica, which is renowned for its healing and soothing properties, especially when it comes to treating acne scars and calming skin redness. This toner absorbs quickly into your skin without any irritation, making it highly recommended and worth trying out.
See? May iniwan pa rin siyang glow. Ay, ganyan yung magic niya, di ba? Alam mo yung nag-glow ka, ayan, wala kang highlights, pero nag-glow ka. Tapos, eto yung sa naiwan na dirts, though. Malinis naman yung face ko. Pero, ayan, makikita nyo, may dirt pa rin siya sa face ko na nalinis ni Dewha Rejuvenating Toner. Next is I will introduce to you the Dewha Gold Intense Anti-Aging Daily Serum. Alam nyo, though favorite ko din naman silang lahat, ito yung pinaka. Ito yung pinakang favorite ko kasi sobrang nakaka-refresh and para kang hinilamusan ng malamig na tubig. Ganun yung feeling niya.
My skin feels so luxuriously pampered with Gold Intense Anti-Aging Daily Serum. It's enriched with 99.9% pure gold that reverses aging and soothes away fine lines.
For the last product sa kanilang mini glow trio set is itong kanilang flawless glowing hydrating primer SPF 25 PA with a 3+. Ito siya. And sa amoy, I love the smell. Hindi siya yung amoy na amoy chemical. Lahat sila, yung amoy nila is hindi yung nakakagulat or nakakatakot na ilagay sa mukha.
It's a multitasking moisturizer, primer, and highlighter all in one. After using it, I noticed my skin but better look.
The last product na ipapakita ko sa inyo is itong kanilang Dewha Perfect Glow CC Cushion with the SPF 30+ PA+++. And ganito siya. This is what it looks like. Sobrang cute ng packaging. I love the color. And ang shade ko dito is natural. Tapos meron siyang puff na ganyan. Tapos open mo siya. Andito yung product sa loob. Uy! Sobrang match ng shade niya sa akin. Kasi ngayon ko lang siya gagamitin. Ito kasing skincare na yan, nagamit ko na talaga siya. Matagal ko na siyang ginagamit. This one is ngayon lang.
Dewha Perfect Glow CC Cushion is both a makeup and skincare product that gives a lightweight coverage but still creates a radiant complexion. Its silky finish blends perfectly and gives my face a dewy natural look.
Ang ganda! Oh my God, Koreana yarn! Oh my God! I love it! Nagpalit lang ako ng damit and naglagay ako ng konting blush on, tapos mascara, inayos ko lang siya, pati kilay, and nag-lip tint lang ako. Sobrang simple lang yung look natin. And nakaka-amaze. Ang ganda. Lakas maka-blooming. So this is the Dewha Perfect Glow CC Cushion. And if you want to purchase this CC Cushion, ilalagay ko sa description box yung link kung saan kayo makakabili ng Dewha products. And etong mini glow trio set, what I like about them, tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, sobrang travel friendly nila. Hindi siya bulky, hindi siya pahirapan na kung saan mo ilagay, lalo sa tulad kong hindi nag-i-skip ng skincare bago mag-makeup, bago matulog. Hindi ako nag-i-skip ng skincare po talaga. So, sobrang lifesaver ni Mini Glow Trio Set. Don't forget to use my promo code INFZatrisia to get a 300 pesos off in every 1,000 pesos you purchase to their products, valid till end of the year. I hope you enjoyed this video. As I enjoy filming this video, please like if you enjoy it, subscribe, and click the bell button so that you will notified every time I uploaded a new video.